Hi, this is Toby with HMC Electronics. We're going to be taking a look at Edsyn's 951SX soldering station. The Edsyn 951SX might not look like the most space-aged technology system. It does have an analog display rather than digital that you might see on some units. But what is great about this system is that for the past 15 years, it's been Edsyn's #1 selling station. It's made the transition to lead-free RoHS soldering applications and high heat ink applications very easily, because this pencil is a 95-watt iron. So it's putting out a huge amount of power. It's got a very easy drop-in tip. These LT series tips are a very inexpensive $4 to $5 price point range. The cubby, or as they call it, the pod here, is designed so that when you put your iron in, it's almost making like a mini oven, keeping the iron warm, not having to drain power from the station to do this, and it has this kind of drip tray here in the back, or cone in the back. Collects the solder, makes it so that the station and everything stays nice and clean. As I mentioned, the system goes from 400 to 800 Fahrenheit, plus minus 6 degrees Fahrenheit for its stability, and can be calibrated right here on the side with the tool that's provided. Another nice thing about Edsyn, all of their systems come with an 18-month warranty, and this system right here is fully ESD safe.